You're 15, or maybe 17. You just made your first couple $100 mowing lawns, freelancing online, or working part-time at your local grocery store. And for the first time, you're asking yourself, what if I actually invested this money? You've heard that the earlier you start investing, the richer you could be. But no one ever explained how that actually works. And now you're thinking, can I even invest as a teenager? Isn't that for adults with suits and briefcases? Not exactly. In fact, what you do in your teenage years could be the reason you're a millionaire in your 30s. But the real question is, how do you start? Stick with me, because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start investing as a teenager, even if you're starting with only $10 in your account. Number 1. Why starting early is a superpower. Let's talk time. Time is the most powerful ingredient in investing, more powerful than how much money you start with. Here's what I mean. Imagine two people. Emily starts investing at 16. She puts in just $50 a month until she turns 26. Then she stops completely. Then there's Jake. He doesn't start until he's 26. He invests $100 every single month until he's 65. Who ends up with more money? Believe it or not, it's Emily. Even though she stopped investing at 26, she ends up with more money because her investments had more time to grow. That's the magic of compound interest. Your money earns money, and then that money earns money too. So starting early isn't just nice, it's a cheat code. Number 2. Can you legally invest as a teen? Let's clear this up. If you're under 18, you can't legally open a traditional brokerage account by yourself. But don't worry, you're not stuck. You can open something called a custodial account. There are two types, UGMA or UTMA. Basically, this is an account your parent or guardian opens for you. They're the custodian, but the money belongs to you. Once you turn 18 or 21, depending on your state, the account becomes fully yours. That means you can buy stocks, ETFs, and more, all while you're still in high school. And here's the best part. When your friends are just getting started in their 20s, you'll already have years of experience. Number 3. What should you invest in? Now that you know you can invest, what should you actually buy? You've probably heard of stocks. That's owning a piece of a company, like Apple or Nike. But if you're a total beginner, picking individual stocks can feel like trying to guess the next viral TikTok trend. So instead, consider ETFs, which stand for exchange-traded funds. Think of an ETF like a basket filled with many different stocks. You're not betting on one company. You're betting on the market. For example, there's an ETF called VTI. It holds hundreds of companies, from tech giants to sneaker brands. So when you buy one share of VTI, you're getting a slice of all those companies. ETFs are great for beginners because they spread out your risk. It's like eating a sampler platter instead of one mystery dish. Safer, smarter. Number 4. How much money do you need to start? Most teens think investing is only for people with $1,000. Wrong. You can start with as little as $5 to $10 thanks to fractional shares. Fractional shares let you buy a part of a stock or ETF. So even if one share of Amazon costs over $3,000, you can invest just $10 and still own a piece. Apps like Fidelity, Schwab, and Robinhood now offer this feature. So even if your lunch budget is all you've got, that's enough to get started. Number 5. Where do you actually invest? Let's talk about platforms. There are a lot of investing apps out there. But as a teen, you need one that allows custodial accounts. Here are a few solid options. Fidelity Youth Account. This one is built for teens aged 13 to 17. It's legit, and there are no fees. Schwab Custodial Account. Good for long-term investing, with a wide selection of ETFs and no account minimums. Greenlight Plus Invest. This one combines banking for kids and investing, but it has a small monthly fee. Just make sure you and your parent are comfortable with the platform before diving in. And always choose one that's FDIC insured and SIPC protected. That means your cash and investments are safe. Number 6. Set your goals first. Before you invest a single dollar, ask yourself one thing. What am I investing for? Is it college? A car? Starting your own business someday? Your goal will shape how you invest. For example, if you're investing for something soon, like next year, you don't want risky stocks. You might want to keep that money in a high-yield savings account instead. But if your goal is long-term, like retirement or your future dream home, investing in the stock market makes a lot more sense. Because short-term investing is like running a sprint. But long-term investing, that's a marathon. Know which race you're running. Number 7. Avoid these beginner mistakes. All right, let's be real. When you're just starting, it's easy to get excited and then do something dumb. So here are a few common traps to dodge. Trying to get rich quick. If someone says you can double your money overnight, run. Investing is about patience, not gambling. Following random advice on social media. Not every financial influencer knows what they're talking about. Some are just trying to sell you something. Putting in money you can't afford to lose. Only invest money you won't need for at least a few years. Checking your account every 5 minutes. The stock market goes up and down. That's normal. Don't panic and sell when things drop. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every week to see if it's growing. Be patient. Let it grow. Number 8. Reinvesting your gains is the secret weapon. Let's say you invest in an ETF that pays dividends. Those are little payments companies give to shareholders. Instead of taking that cash out to buy snacks, reinvest it. Most platforms have something called DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. With DRIP, your dividends automatically buy more shares. It's like your money is working out at the gym, getting stronger without you doing anything extra. Over time, this snowballs into serious growth. Even a small dividend of $1 reinvested every month adds up over the years. Number 9. Stay consistent. Even if it's just a little, the best investors aren't the ones who pick the perfect stock. They're the ones who stay consistent. Let's say you invest $10 every week from your allowance or part-time job. That's $40 a month for $180 a year. In 5 years, that's over $2,000. And with average market returns, it could grow to even more. It's like brushing your teeth. You don't do it once and expect shiny teeth forever. You do it regularly. That's what builds long-term success. Number 10. Use your teen years to learn everything. Think of these years as your practice mode. You don't need to be a perfect investor right now. You just need to learn. Read books like The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John Bogle. Watch videos like this one. Try a simulated investing game before using real money. Ask your parents questions. Join a school investment club if there is one, or start your own. Because when you hit your 20s, most people are still figuring this stuff out, and you'll already be way ahead by the time your friends are saying, I should really start investing. You'll be nodding, already years into your journey. Number 11. Learn the difference between saving and investing. A lot of teens think saving and investing are the same, but they're not. Saving is putting your money somewhere safe, like a savings account for short-term goals. Investing is putting your money to work, buying assets like stocks or ETFs for long-term growth. If you're saving for a new phone next month, that money should not be in the stock market. But if you're planning for your future, investing is how your money grows beyond just what you earn. Use both tools, saving and investing, but know when to use which. Number 12. Keep your emotions in check. Investing can mess with your feelings. When the market goes up, you feel like a genius. When it drops, you feel like everything is falling apart. But here's the truth. The market always moves. It's normal. Don't let fear make you sell or excitement make you buy something without thinking. Stick to your plan. Even the best investors stay calm during market ups and downs. That's how they win. Number 13. Don't compare your journey with others. Your friend says they made $100 off a stock last week. Another friend says crypto is the future. It's easy to feel like you're behind or missing out. But investing is not a race. It's not about what your friends are doing. It's about what works for you, your goals, and your comfort level. Comparing will only make you anxious. Instead, focus on your path. And remember, slow and steady usually wins. Number 14. Use investment calculators to visualize the future. Want to see how your $10 a week could turn into thousands? Use free online investment calculators. These tools let you plug in how much you'll invest, how often, and for how many years. Then they'll show you how much your money could grow with average market returns. Seeing those numbers is powerful. It helps you stay motivated, because when you see your future net worth rising, you realize every small amount matters. Number 15. Know about Roth IRAs for teens. If you're earning money from a job, even babysitting or mowing lawns, you may be able to open a custodial Roth IRA. This is a special retirement account with amazing benefits. You invest money that's already been taxed. and it grows tax-free. And when you take it out at retirement, no taxes. It's like a gift from your future self. Let's say you invest just $1,000 into a Roth IRA at age 16 and never add another penny. By the time you're 65, that could grow to over $15,000 or more, depending on market returns. And you don't owe a single penny in taxes. The earlier you start, the more you win. Number 16. Understand risk before you dive in. All investments come with risk. That means you could lose money, especially in the short term. But that doesn't mean investing is scary. It just means you need to understand what you're getting into. Stocks have higher risk, but also higher rewards. Bonds are usually safer, but grow slower. ETFs spread out risk by holding many stocks at once. Start with what feels safe, then build confidence as you learn. Don't let fear stop you from starting. Let knowledge guide you. Number 17. Track your progress, but not obsessively. It's exciting to see your money grow, but checking your account every single day won't help. In fact, it might stress you out. Instead, check in once a month. Look at how your investments are doing. Are you sticking to your plan? Are you still investing consistently? Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or app to track your progress. Celebrate your milestones. Even investing $50 for 3 months straight is worth celebrating. Small wins lead to big success. Number 18. Talk to your parents or guardians. You don't have to do this alone. If you're under 18, you'll need your parent or guardian to help open your investment account anyway. But more than that, talk to them about money. Ask them what they wish they knew about investing when they were your age. You might be surprised by what you learn. Money is often seen as a grown-up topic, but the earlier you talk about it, the better you'll understand it, and who knows? Your curiosity might even inspire your family to invest too. Number 19. Make learning about money fun. Let's be honest, some financial stuff sounds boring. But it doesn't have to be. Watch YouTube videos like this one. Follow teen-friendly finance creators. Play stock market games online. Join free challenges where you invest virtual money and see who can grow the most. The more fun you make it, the more you'll learn. And when learning is fun, it sticks. Number 20. Your teen self is setting up your future self. It might feel like you're only investing a little, but what you're really doing is laying the foundation for something huge. 10 years from now, you'll thank yourself because while others are just starting, you'll already have knowledge, confidence, and real results. Every dollar you invest now is a gift to your future self. And the best part? You're proving to yourself, right now, that you're not just spending money, you're building wealth. The truth is, you don't need a lot of money to start investing as a teenager. You just need curiosity, consistency, and a plan. So, which part of this video helped you the most? Let me know in the comments.